Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. So this is an update. This is how far we have come. These rentals are under renovation. They are 2 rooms. They are under renovation. For those of you who have been here for a while, you know what is going on, yeah? So for those of you who are new here, who do not know what is going on here, these are rentals for my subscriber. And subscriber trusted me to oversee the renovation and everything that is going on, yeah? So this is how far we are. We have some plaster on the walls. We have iron sheets. You see those holes in the iron sheets? We have iron sheets. We have iron sheets. Of course, we are not going to hand over things when the iron sheets have holes in them. We got new iron sheets. This one is going to be a shop, and people are already asking. So anytime now, somebody's entering this one, But they're doing the plywood up, as you can see. They're doing the plywood up to act as a ceiling. There is plaster on the walls, and then the floor was also redone. Very, very soon, anytime now, somebody's entering. So they did not make the other fancy ceiling, because if you've watched the previous video, I mentioned that everything is temporary, yeah? Everything that we are doing is temporary, as we collect money to get something big and something better. But instead of the land just sitting here, and the rooms are there already, the rooms were there already, it's they just needed some renovation here and there so that people can enter. Akasente mnange nako kabewo, you know what I mean, yeah? So this is how far we are. But guys, of course, these things are never easy. Let me tell you something, we reached the floor until let us undo the floor and then put a nicer one. Of course, the floor is done now. The place is dirty because, of course, you know how construction sites are. They are going to clean, and I'll give you the next video I'll be giving you will be like the final video, yeah? But the floor is done. As you can see, there is cement on the floor. But guys, let me tell you something, yeah? They undid the floor to like put a better coat, Mama, guys, let me tell you what. Do you think there was nkokoto? How do they call nkokoto in English? There was no nkokoto, and this is how we had to buy stones, because there was no nkokoto, so they had to put nkokoto. So the people who built these rooms, they literally just, you know how you see soil, yeah? And then they poured some sand on the soil, and then they put like that fine layer of the cement to make the floor. So we had to buy stones and then do nkokoto, and then put in nkokoto, and then put the floor. And then these staircases here, the steps, those ones, they were not there last time. For those who watched the previous video, you know what I'm talking about. So of course, with renovation, there are things you didn't plan for, and then things come and they eat the money, and but well, this is it. So whatever is happening is temporary. Whatever is happening is temporary for a few years here and there as the money is being collected, and then eventually they'll put something better on the land. So this is our this is our gate. This is the security. I was trying to put the thing, and at the same time I was holding the phone in my hands. So, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you after the finished work of that thing. Security Oh God. You see. That is our security at the moment. Anyway, we are going to check on the back room. As I mentioned, everything is still disorganized. They have to get a car, like a small car, and then they put these things on, and then they take them away. And then this place is leveled and everything. We have a water tank, a small one that is going to go somewhere there, because this place did not have water, you people. The place did not have water. First, leave water alone. The place did not have the hole for bathroom water. You know that water we shower and then that water goes somewhere in a hole. The place did not have that, so we had to like dig a hole for the bathroom water after showering. You saw the toilet last time, right? Toilet is over there. I could not open the doors because these doors, the doors they got from inside there, because we are trying to minimize the budget, not go overboard. You know what I mean? So these doors came from inside there, and then they put them here. So I could not open. I think they had just put them just a few days back. You see the cement, yeah? You know how it goes. Of course, we'll paint the doors. The toilet, remember how the toilet was looking like last time? So they improved it. They put like a capote inside. I will show you the final video when everything is done. But for now, this is the update. This is how far we are at the moment. I'm going to show you inside there. Last time we did not get in because the door refused to open. But I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to show you inside. And when they finish with the plywood, the next step is clearing this space, yeah? When they finish with the plywood, they're going to clear this space. After they clear this space, it's definitely going to be painting. And then they put the tank here, and then we should be good to go. Just know the shop in front. People are already asking. People are already offering money. I know it is not much, but you guys, you know, every dollar counts, every penny counts. It adds up at the end of the day. Katimnange, if somebody's making some money there and also getting some small money here, you never know the money that they ask for. You know, the people who are in Uganda keep on asking for money from the people who are not in Uganda, yeah? So that money that they ask for can be coming from here. And then the other money that they are making is their money. You know what I mean? By the way, let me take you inside of this room, and then you see how far they've come. Again, if you remember, in the previous video, there was a door in between there. And I mentioned they're going to seal the door so that there are two separate rooms, yeah? So you see stones. We got stones for the floor. I've been telling you about the floor. Guys, let me tell you something. These things, you start with a certain amount of money and then add some extra money in that, and then before you know it, the money is over. But me, I will show you the finished product. So these are the gentlemen who were doing the plywood. So when the plywood is done and then we get some paint, of course, and then they clean up, it will be habitable. It will be habitable, and we'll be clapping for somebody very soon because you guys, we have to clap. Owning land and with some rooms on it, however much they are not big and apartments, something is something at the end of the day. So Bambi, these men, they were measuring the plywood, putting plywood up there. I did not want to, because the plywood was covering it. I did not want to disturb their work, but then I also wanted to get in. But I got it, of course. I'm going to show you how the view from the inside, and then that will be it for today, yeah? So guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I really do appreciate you being here. Drop me a comment. I would like to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Any advice is welcome. Keeping in mind that everything is temporary. Temungamba kutekayo ngalama ngenyumba tugenda zimenya in a few years. Nati mumpulira nze neteka, the minute you involve me, I am involved. Even if it's not my thing, me, I know I am involved. We are together. Anyway, drop me a comment. Please like the video, share the video. Let me know what you think. People paying for membership, thank you very much. I really do appreciate. Kwegamba, everybody, thank you for being here. Thank you for taking your time to come and watch. This is how far we are. So the very first one on the right is the toilet, and the middle one is the bathroom. You see the sky? I be telling you that it rains these days. That is the sky. The rain is coming any minute now. So this is it. This is how far we are. So the next video you will be seeing will be of the final product. When everything is painted and everything is done and people are ready to enter. As I mentioned, the other one, people may even enter it before I give you the final work, because people are over asking. How much is it? I want to enter. When are you finishing? So we have your car over there. Then these guys are doing the work, as you can see. This is it. So there was a door last time, yeah? The previous video we had a door there, so they closed it up. And then also up, remember how I told you they have to cover up so that people do not hear each other in the night activities, eh? And all of you were asking me which activities, as if you don't know the night activities. So they built and covered up to up. And now they're putting the ceiling and all that, so that no one jumps over the other side. And of course, and so that it's not very hot and everything. Generally, to make the place more habitable on a budget, because we are on a budget. We are on a budget, but yes, to make the place more habitable on a budget. This is it. This is how it looks like. And baby, no, this is the view from inside. So the very next video will literally be our final video, and everything is done and everything is clean. The walls are painted. They've painted outside, inside. The floor is mopped. Kwegamba ng'omuntu ayingira buyingizi. But since they're also in a busy area, of course people will be entering as soon as, how did we used to say in English? As soon as, no sooner than. So anyway, this is me moving out. These guys were looking for their hammer. So I was there, and then I think that misplaced the hammer, yeah? So, and then I was like, Kati, just because I've come, the hammer has been misplaced. And then one guy is like, it is misplaced, and if we don't find it, you will pay 1 million for the hammer. So when I was leaving, I told them, let me get out of here before you make me pay 1 million for the hammer. Mubamanya bazibi babeera n'olwali ate nange ku lwali kwesiva. But anyway, this is it. This is me moving out, and we are coming to the end of this video. This is how far we are. We are almost done. But all I can say is money got over at some point, but we are trying to get done. You know how these things go. If you've built before, if you've renovated before, you know how it goes, yeah? Yeah, money finishes, money is more than you expect, but well, you carry on. So this is it. That is the first room that I showed you. Then the other one is the next room. Then the road is just there. Like the road is just there. Then over there, that is Lubia Hill. The places are very near town, meanwhile. That is Lubia Hill. Over there, that's Georgina Gardens. Up there. There. You see the Milongoti. That's Lubia Hill. So very, very close to town. And then the surrounding, this is the surrounding. These are the people around. So any minute now, nze mbagambira nti I am drinking soda nga mumanya nti bayingidde. Anyway, guys, thanks for being here, and I'll be seeing you in our next video, yeah? Bye-bye. Take care now. Bye.